Welcome back to the channel. Just got off work. I feel like I always say that. I'm always getting off work, but when you live in the Bay Area, you're basically working 24/7. I don't mind it. I'm a workaholic, honestly. I'm either filming videos for you guys, editing them. Another rainy day. We were having such a good time. We had like 3 days of bright sunlight, and then today I woke up and it was just rain. It was raining so hard. It's been raining so hard. Right now it's kind of mellowing down. I was looking back at my videos, you know, because I'm trying to stay consistent this year with posting 2 videos a week, which I've been doing. If anything, I've been posting sometimes more than 2 videos a week. And I noticed that I never posted the video of my test results from Blackstone Labs for my BRZ. I remember making a video, but I guess I never posted it, and I don't want to look like a fraud or, you know, or anything, because I remember I said I was going to post it, and I know it's been a while, but I have the results on my phone, so I don't know why. I feel like I remember posting it, but maybe I just never posted it. Maybe what I did was I filmed it, but I never actually posted it, which is super weird. May have to go back through my Adobe to just make sure. I mean, either way, the video wasn't going to be too long. It was just going to be me talking about the results. Pretty much they said everything was good for a new engine. It was high on a couple things. I believe it was like nickel or copper. It was a little bit on the higher side, but still in the normal parameters of it being a new Subaru engine. So I was super happy about that. I actually just got done with my oil change. Let's recap a little bit. I did an oil change. I saw little metal shavings in my oil, so I ended up taking the car to a dealership a couple days later. They flushed it out again, so that was a waste of AMS oil. And then that was a waste of oil, and then they checked everything was good. So they just wrote it down that I found metal in my oil, but they never discovered it. So then they told me to come back in March after like 5,000 miles, which I did. I ended up just taking the car recently last week to get an oil change. It was $120 for Subaru oil, not even AMS oil. And everything seemed good. There was no metal shavings in the oil. Everything ran good. They actually gave me a sample, which I asked because I'm gonna send another I'm actually going to be sending another oil sample to Blackstone Labs just to double check. But I'm going to make this video first talking about the sample that I sent the first time just to show you guys. Other than that, I really don't have anything else to talk about. I'm just going to insert the picture. You know, if you guys actually sent oil samples to any of your cars, it doesn't have to be a BRZ. Let me know your guys' experience. The turnaround time was pretty quick. It just, the turnaround time wasn't that quick for me just because I made the mistake when I shipped it out. I forgot to include the little paper you're supposed to fill out. And I didn't notice that until 2 weeks later. So everything got delayed, and I think I just kind of forgot about it. That's why I never actually posted the video, because I probably forgot that I filmed it. But I'm making the video now, and then I am going to be sending that sample out probably like in the next couple of weeks. There's no rush since the car is doing well. I'm not going to send that sample just yet. Other than that, guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. I want to make this video short and simple, to the point. So you guys know I got the Street Hunter hood. I am going to be painting that in the next couple weeks, and then after that we're going to most likely either PPF it. If I don't PPF it, then I'm probably just going to run it like that. Save myself a couple $100. But thanks for watching, guys. As always, appreciate you guys. We come a long way. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. That means a lot. As you guys know, I am giving away a Lego Paul Walker set once we hit 1,700 subscribers, which we're only like 35 subscribers away. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and see you guys on the next one.